Okay, just a quick update on my previous video about these XTZL3D reusable spools. The refill I ordered has arrived now, and it comes with the spool centre, this plastic section, already in place. So you press your tab and rotate following the direction of this arrow, and then your side comes off, and you do the same the other side, and then you set this aside. You don't need this now because you've got one here. Now the bit that I was getting stuck on, I've had a few practices, is you've got a little rectangular lug here that lines up with this part of the spool here. When I was practicing, I was just throwing this together in whatever orientation, and the sides kept falling off. So what you do is, drum roll please, because this is probably going to go wrong. If you line that up with there and then turn it a few degrees to unlock, press it in and twist, and hopefully it'll lock in place. Or not. Come on. Maybe I should have practiced this a bit more. Okay, that's locked. I think I'm not going to pull it too hard. I've got a feeling these plastic loops here might be throwing out the latches, but I don't want to undo those yet, especially not before I've got the other side on. So now with one side on, you find your little lug, you line your tab with it, and then come back a little bit, press it down, turn, and there you go. Now that's locked in as well, and hopefully it's not going to come apart. I ain't going to test that theory too hard though. There we go, and then you just cut these bands. It's just thin plastic, and you're ready to start printing with it. There we go, a slightly less than smooth video on how to install the refills. Thanks for watching.